Welcome everyone. I am back. Today is July the 7th, 2022. We are going to talk about Snapchat, the stock. Should we avoid this stock at all costs? Guess what? The chart is going to tell us what we should be thinking. Look at this. I've already conducted a price prediction in the market for Snapchat, and the market hasn't gone the way that I expected it to go. So guess what? Today is the day for us to figure out why and what should we do. Welcome everyone to my channel. This is HueFin, also known as HueFin News. I create price predictions. If you guys haven't known, I'm one of the only ones out here on this particular platform creating price predictions the unconfusing way. Yeah, it's not complicated. I simply come through and see what the market has been doing to figure out where it's trying to go. So if you guys want to join me in this journey, go ahead and hit me up, hit the like button, and also subscribe to my channel, tap the bell notification as well, because in order for you to be ahead of the game, in order for you to win against your competition, you got to beat them. And this is how we're able to do it, by being predictors. So hit me up, join. Now, check this out. May the 25th, okay, was the last video that I've done for Snapchat. Looking for the market to continue to go down. Now, when you see certain things not happen on the chart, you have to reevaluate the situation. Now, when I did my video, the price in Snapchat was right here, okay? And I was playing the weakness into the market in Snapchat. Now, I wasn't massively bearish. I wasn't looking for the price to go like down to $5 or nothing like that. But the market in Snapchat did not even go to my support area of $10.45. It didn't even go that low. So what's really here? What's really happening into the market in Snapchat? The only opportunity that we had to bag some profitability was during this time frame right there, from June the 13th to the 22nd of June. Now, it wasn't a lot. Okay, it's only 6%. That was it. That's how low the price went before the buyers stepped in and started buying up the stock. Now, you may be wondering, okay, since the market in Snapchat is not going down, then what will we be expecting? Like, you can only see price move three ways. That's the only thing we'll be able to see. Price could go up, it could go down, or it could go nowhere. So, seeing that the market has not gone down in Snapchat yet, we can eliminate that. So that leaves us with two other ways that price can move. That's up, or we can continue to see what it's been doing, and that is trade sideways. See this? The market in Snapchat hasn't been going anywhere. That is the current move, is that price is going nowhere. So when price goes nowhere, that gives us time to come in and see what's really happening. Look under the hood to see what the market is really going through. So I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of this price prediction here. And if you were to get out on the last trade of yesterday, that's around 12% loss. It happens. But it's going to be nothing if we're looking for the price in Snapchat to continue to ride higher though. Am I right? Yeah. So now let me tell you this though, because I don't want you all to think that we are, you know, flying high with no clouds, with no storms, anything like that, because on the 3 months, look at this. There's still some weakness here into the market in Snapchat. Look at this on the 6 months. There's still some weakness here. So let's not think that the market is on some new massive bullish trend, because it's definitely not. Now, taking it back here though, okay, because I like what happened during this time frame. June the 13th, the market buyers confirmed price. So we know that this is where the buyers are situated. This is where the buyers are at. Now, let me talk about this. This is earnings towards the ending of this month. Expect price volatility to happen, either running up to the earnings or after. Now, you don't think those who have a position in Snapchat aren't prepared for what's about to happen on this earnings release? Like, for real. These people are getting positioned for the news. But rather than us being on the outside looking in, and reacting to the information after it is released, that is how we lose. It's because we're reacting. We need to be proactive rather than reactionary to the information. What's been going on here in the market in Snapchat is prepping people for what they're expecting the market to do on this earnings on the 21st of July. Okay. Now, we understand that the market in Snapchat is coming through around some restriction areas. Okay. This is where the restriction point is in the market in Snapchat. Now, we got to talk, because which area do you think is going to be stronger? Do you think price is going to break this area to the upside? What do you think? Or do you think the market's going to get rejected up here and come back down? What do you think? Because like I told you earlier, the current direction in the market in Snapchat is nowhere. We're not moving. We're just bouncing in between these two lines. We have the battlefield positioned. This is where the sellers are at, and this is where the buyers are at. Yeah, we have delineated the positions of the market. Now, let's look at this on the 2-day. Okay, because currently, when we combine all of these price bars right here, when we combine them, it looks as if the buyers are pretty much beating out the sellers right now. Okay, it looks that way. Now, if that's the case, then we need to be a buyer. If that's the case, then we need to anticipate that the market in Snapchat is going to continue to go up. Look at this on the 3-day. Look at this last completed 3-day price bar in Snapchat, right? The only problem is that rejection point around $15.50. That's the only problem. If we were to see Snapchat break $15.50 to the upside, how high do you think the market is going to run up next? How high? Do you think it could be 18? Yeah, we could see the market run up to $18 in Snapchat. I would run up, I would take it to 1650 first. So I would take it up there to 1650. So now we are going to look for the market in Snapchat to run up higher in price. Okay. But let me show you the price targets. Okay. The first one has already been created and established. I told you around 1550. Okay. That's the first price target. Second one is 1650. Okay. And that's about it. That's how high I'm looking for the market to go. It could actually go to 17, but I really want us to see the market buyers take out the sellers at 1550 first. Because if that doesn't happen, then we at least know that we're not ready for a breakout to occur. Okay. So the two price targets I have is 1550, around that area. It might fall a little bit short because you guys can see here on the 28th of June, all the way back to like the beginning of June, we got hung up around $14.75. So you understand what I'm saying? Like, don't count on the penny. It's going to be around that area, 1550, 1475, something around that area before we can see the market get rejected in a Snapchat. It's not a lot, but hey, this is how the game is played. Now, tell me, what do you think the market in Snapchat is about to do? Are we going to go up, go down? What? Let me know. Make sure you maintain profitability. And as always, trade different.